Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 19th of September, 2024. The headline benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty resumed the rally in Thursday's trade and ended higher after hitting record highs on positive global cues following 50 basis point cut by the United States Federal Reserve. Sensex climbed 236.57 points to settle at lifetime high of 83,184.80, while the broader Nifty went up 38.25 points to 25,415.80. NTPC, Kotak Bank, Titan, Nestle India, Hindustan Unilever, HDFC Bank were among the top gainers in the Sensex pack, while Adani Ports, L&T, TCS were among the laggards. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Neogen Chemicals rallied over 13% to hit an all-time high of 2,140 rupees per share on September 19 amid volume spurt. Around 1.1 million shares were exchanged on BSE and NSE in intraday deals, exceeding one-week average of 0.3 million equity shares. With today's rise, the stock has extended its rally to 33% in the past 1 week, outperforming benchmark Nifty 50's 0.1% rise. Neogen Chemicals specializes in manufacturing eco-friendly specialty chemicals used across the pharmaceutical, engineering, and agrochemical industries. The company has built strong expertise in bromine and lithium compounds, and more recently, advanced intermediates for the pharmaceutical and pesticide sectors. In its annual report, the management remained optimistic about the long-term growth of the chemicals sector, driven by the China Plus One strategy, efforts to reduce chemical imports, robust R&D capabilities, and favorable government policies. Shares of Suntec Realty surged over 6% on September 19 to hit an intraday high of 620 rupees on NSE amid heavy volumes. So far in the day, 54 lakh shares of the company changed hands on BSE and NSE combined, compared to the one-month average trading volume of 6 lakh shares. The surge in volumes comes after Suntec Realty informed that its executives will meet with analysts and institutional investors in Edinburgh and London between September 23 to 25, organized by Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Additionally, the technical chart showed a triangle breakout pattern and wave 5 unfolding. The stock has rallied 31% so far this year, outperforming Nifty's returns of 16%. In the past 12 months, the counter has risen 35%. In comparison, Nifty rose 27% during this period. Garware Technical Fibers shares gained sharply on September 19 as heavy volumes and positive momentum raised the stock by around 13% in trade. So far in the day, a total of 1 lakh shares of the company changed hands on BSE and NSE combined, compared to the monthly average trading volume of 14,000 shares. The counter is trading near its 52-week high of 4,288.8 rupees and above all its key moving averages. The stock has rallied 27% so far this year, outperforming Nifty's returns of 17%. In the past 12 months, the counter has zoomed 36%. In comparison, Nifty rose 26% during this period. Promoter holding in the counter has remained consistent at 53% across 8 quarters, while mutual funds and DIIs have been bumping up their stake in the small-cap textile player. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency shares jumped over 4% in the early session on September 19. DPAM gave its thumbs up for IRADA to raise up to 4,500 rupees crore in a fresh equity share issue through a qualified institutional placement. The fundraise, approved by the alternative mechanism based on recommendations from a high-level committee, will result in a dilution of the government stake in IRADA by up to 7% of the company's post-issue paid-up equity, as a result of the fresh share issue. The capital infusion, to be executed in 1 or more tranches, follows an earlier in-principle approval from IREDA's Board of Directors in August 2024, which considered multiple fundraising options, including a further public offer, rights issue, or preferential issue. Hitech Corporation Limited in daily time frame is trading around 264.62 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 987.214 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 232.50, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.58. Infinium Pharmatum Limited in daily time frame is trading around 272.60 points with a change of 16.7% and is trading with a net volume of around 123,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 218.07, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 86.47. Neogen Chemicals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 2,183.15 points with a change of 15.45% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.739 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 1,758.79, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 84.83. For the stock recommendation we have, AU Small Finance Bank Limited looks good and can be bought at 753 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 725 rupees and a target of 775 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.